Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I'm going to do an unboxing of these two watches. This is none other than DWC Terra. So here we have the two color variants of DWC Terra. One is the Terra Sandblasted, and another one is the DWC Terra DLC, which is the black one. Like DLC stands for diamond like carbon. So we will check these two watches in detail. So let's get started. So guys, let me just before I do the unboxing, let me just give you a brief introduction. So DWC Terra. So DWC Terra launched in two variants. So first they launched in titanium. So the case material was titanium, and that was priced at 4,000 rupees. During that sale, I was not that much of interested due to the design, so I skipped the titanium one. But I didn't knew that it was like it would be so hyped, that so much hyped that 4,000 rupees watch was almost selling like 15,000, 14,000, 13,000 rupees like per piece. So DWs, and that was like only 5,500 pieces they have made, that titanium variant. So due to the hype and due to the demand, public demand, not just in India but also in the other countries, because DWC Terra has become so famous due to the unique design and like the hype which the market got created. So many of the like the foreign like watch influencers got this watch, and even DWC have sent it few of the units to the other country watch influencers, and like they demanded like a better variant, or like not just 5,500 units but like more quantity, because it's so much hyped and it's so much in demand. So there we have it. So finally they have launched a stainless steel variant of the famous DWC Terra. So here we have the two color variants of the stainless steel version. So on in the stainless steel variant they have hiked the price. So like this black one costed me like 5,000 rupees, and this sandblasted one costed me 4,500. There is another color of like in 4,500 range, that's called brushed, vertical brushed. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'll just do the unboxing on this one first. So I'll just put this here for now. So this is like a simple packaging. It just says the colored name here, and we get a pouch, and what is this? How to use, care and maintenance guide. And there are few of the like few upgrades and also a downgrade in this stainless steel variant, which I'll talk about. So let's just move this plastic. So this comes with this box. I'll remove this one as well. This is the black DLC. Okay, so here are the two boxes. It says Delhi Watch Company. This is the leather pouch. The pouches are very small and easy to carry, but yeah, so like it reminds me of the triple crown pouch, but triple crown pouch was little bit of like the width was little bigger. So this is like this, and here we have a warranty card, 2 years warranty card. I guess same warranty card will be here as well. Yeah, so same warranty card. Now let's see the watch. Okay, so here we have the sandblasted variant, guys. Next is the DLC. All right, So this comes with a cleaning microfiber cloth. So guys, here we have the DWC Terra stainless steel variant. On my left we have the sandblasted, and on my right here we have the beautiful stealth gorgeous, this is the DLC, which is the diamond like carbon. So let me just show you the watch in close up. So this is the sandblasted variant. So sandblasted is like a finish on this case finish is like sandblasted, which is almost like very close to the original, like the titanium variant. This color almost looks like the original titanium color, very close. And show you a close-up view of the black DLC. So here is a close-up view of the black DLC, guys. Very beautiful, very stealthy black kind of a look. Okay, now let's start with the specs. So I'll start with the case dimension. So the case dimension here is the case diameter, which is this part. Case diameter is 32 mm. Lug to lug, which is this, lug to lug is 44. Case height is 8.3 mm. Okay, and it comes with this parachute kind of a strap, which is like an elastic strap. Okay, like this elastic strap. And the lugs here, there is like, you don't need to insert any spring bar. You can remove the lugs from here and can insert any NATO strap, any parachute strap from here. Okay, and coming to the glass, so they have used something called Scott glass, which they claim like this is like better than mineral crystal, but not as close as sapphire. Okay, and the case here we have a 316L grade stainless steel case. This one comes with a like a sandblasted finish, almost looks like a titanium variant. This one is a DLC. So the DLC, what it means is like a, this has got a black diamond like carbon coating, like a carbon coating on it, and this coating is not PVD like coating. This is a molecular level coating of the like carbon, and it gives a very like good scratch resistance, impact resistance. So it has got a lot of like benefits of this black DLC. Now guys, let us check the dial real close up. So here we have a field watch style dial with a 0 to like a 1 to 12 hour like hour marking printed in Arabic, and also there is a 24-hour marking is there, which is printed on the dial. The dial also has like at 12 o'clock with it has got a Delhi Watch Company logo, if you see right here. At 6 o'clock here we have a Terra logo, and at every 5 minutes there is a marker for the minutes, which is 5, 10, 15 like this till 60. Okay, and coming to the hands, this has got a syringe type hands with a Japanese C3 loom, and the second hand is painted orange at the tip on both the variants. And guys, here is the loom shot. As you can see, the loom looks beautiful on this, but it doesn't last long. It like maximum 5 minutes. And if you notice the hands on the black one It's black in color, which looks really stealthy, which gives a very stealth look to it. And on the sandblasted one, the hands are silver or grayish metallic, and at the tip it has got an orange color to give that contrast look, which looks really good on the black one, that orange. On the crown here we have a signed crown which says Delhi Watch Company logo, which is the Parliament logo. Same goes here. On the black one we get a black crown, and on the sandblasted one here we have like the titanium, the sandblasted color. So this is the case back, guys. I'll remove this plastic cover. It says Terra stainless steel, the first of its kind 316L case. And this dots, this holes are the like the screw down case back. So using this we can open the case back. And in order to insert this strap, all you need to do is to find these lugs and just push it from here, and that's it. Like, no need of spring bar, like easy to remove and change straps. That's it. Previously this watch came with a 30 water resistance, but this time they have increased it to 50 so 50 meter water resistance on stainless steel variant. On the titanium one it was 30. So 30 meter water resistance for a field watch is nothing. Like, it's almost like a splash proof, not a water resistance. I'm talking about the movement here. It houses a Miyota GL32 quartz movement, which is a very slim movement, like very slim movement. And using that, it is like they have fitted it in this very slim case. Okay, so the minute hand is not aligned properly, as you can see. If I, yeah, so this is the exact point where it aligns. So the minute hand is not aligned properly, and if it's not aligned, then it will not match at 9, it will not match at 10, so it will not match anywhere. So little bit of misaligned is there. Okay, now we are in that part of the video where we discuss about the pros and cons of a watch, like the final pros and cons. So regarding the pros, guys, I would say the price is really good, like very affordable, 4.5 to 5k range. And the design, the unique design, and how we like insert the strap or NATO strap or parachute or paratroop or whatever. So this spring bar less design is a very unique, and there is no other watch in India right now which has this unique design. Next is the hype. So in order to get this watch, you have to be very lucky and always in demand, guys. Like, if you don't like it, you can always sell it, and you will get, like, you will never incur a loss. You will get MRP obviously, and even a little bit of profit for sure. Now coming to the cons. Okay, so DWC, like, everybody complained about, like, DWC launched the titanium variant for 4k, but stainless steel cost much lesser than that, but they are asking more money for it. Like, why? Like, people are really frustrated and really upset, I would say. Like, why the stainless steel variant cost more than the titanium one, which is the case material of titanium grade 2 cost much more than a 316L grade stainless steel. So there is one con, but on this side there is also two pros. That is the 50 meter water resistant, and also they are saying that like the lug to lug is increased. So previously it was 42, this is 44. Next, they're saying that the strap quality is now improved, which I will not agree, because in my opinion the strap quality is very basic, I would say. And also one major con with this black one, I don't know, like uh this DWC could have fixed it. That is, for a black, very good looking stealth watch, why would you give a buckle that is stainless steel or the sandblasted in color? It also has this beautiful DWC logo. It should have been black, guys. Like, this buckle and this would have been much better. Like, now I have to find a black buckle paratrooper strap or a NATO strap to match this beautiful watch. But if I check this one, which is the sandblasted one looks perfect. Like, matches the color, right? But yeah, that if 4K price for titanium, then this should have been priced little lower or the same. But this time this one is 5K and this one is 4.5, guys. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you have any queries, do hit me on the comments below. I'll be sure to reply. Okay, thank you so much for watching. To take care. Bye. And yeah, please tell me which version or which color do you like the most, any of this or the titanium. Yeah, please let me know. Thanks.